everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out another performance of Teens and Times, and this is another performance for this duo. The title is Starry Night. Sounds pretty, sounds romantic, sounds beautiful. So we have performing, let's see, Song Ya-hsian and I have trouble combination with certain letters together. So, Liu Yaowen. I'm going with that. I can't take that back now. So, let's go ahead and dive into the performance. Of course, we have a closed captions for it. Very exciting if I don't get it from the first time, which again, it depends on a lot of things. It depends on the dynamic. It depends on the presentation. It depends on how busy the stage is. Lots of things going on. And sometimes my brain cannot comprehend a lot of things, and sometimes it understands everything. So let's go ahead and check out this Starry Night. Okay, let's go. Lemon flavored stars. Oh. The smile is so cute. Very romantic. Okay, this setting is just too romantic. So beautiful. First, my face hurts again. Okay, I cannot pay attention to the closed captions. Too much going on. I love his jacket. They're too adorable. There goes the fireworks. Oh my gosh, his voice. This is a very catchy tune. Too cute. Oh my gosh, that was just so adorable. Okay, I got the lyrics when in English, The Starry Night. I got that and shalala with it. Everything else, I think I've gotten like couple maybe things in between that were again very romantic. Oh, this duo. This is really nice. The song is gonna be in my head. This is the last one that I'm checking out for today. So this is gonna be the song that's in my head for the rest of the day. I'll be walking around. Starry Night and going. That was a very, very beautiful performance. I love the stage setup. It definitely matches the aesthetic and matches the theme for the song, and just this is also needs to belong in drama as well for all the wonderful moments, romantic moments, and especially anytime, of course, we have fireworks going on as well, because anytime we see dramas with fireworks going on, it usually is a romantic moment. So it matches very, very well. Ah, my goodness. Sure, this was too much. This was a lot of things, just too much for me. I don't know who decided on that setup, but it definitely worked out very, very well. I love the visual for the stage. Of course, I love the visual of their outfits. I think, of course, like both of their outfits are really nice, and I like the little flower details. Kind of like started out from the opposite side and stuff, but I really liked the song Yasian's jacket. Kind of like went weird backwards and stuff, detailed. I really like that. I'm a very, I don't know, I'm a weird person. I pay attention to a lot of outfit designs, and the more different it is, the more I am like going towards it. Not that I dress like that, but I really love styles like that, and it looks so good on everybody. I just absolutely enjoyed it. I enjoy a little bit of a different things. So I really liked his jacket, and it looked really good. And does he have contacts in? Because his eyes are just so pretty. Okay, a lot going on, okay? My brain is just a little busy with this performance. So again, I will be going back and reading more of the lyrics to it, which again had much more of a romantic kind of feel, and they definitely worked it. They definitely worked the video, they worked the song, they worked the stage, they made everything really perfect. I like all the little tiny gestures, and the choreography was very sweet, and that was super adorable. So I don't know how anybody comes up with everything, but it just works absolutely perfect, and I appreciate all of that. And okay, so we have this performance. I am sure lots of people were fangirling over it. I can only imagine the actual screams, maybe, if there were people out there. Sometimes they do film without anybody. Maybe, I think. I don't know. I don't know how a lot of things work. But for some reason and somehow, everything just works out absolutely perfect. And we just need to have a huge crowd out there screaming is what is missing in there. So I'm doing my part of it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, watching, liking, and commenting. And don't forget to subscribe so you know when videos come out. And I will see you next time. Bye.